Post reports the CDC may remove the recommendation to isolate for 5 days. News 4's Gabi Acevedo in Crown Heights to explain what we need to know, Gabi.
Well, David, the new rules are more in guidance similar to other respiratory conditions. The CDC reportedly planning on moderating its COVID isolation guidance, but nothing has been set in stone yet. New guidelines may be on the way for people battling COVID-19. Those who test positive may no longer need to isolate for 5 days.
I believe that is a right policy to change for normal people. As far as we know, it's about 4 years in the COVID pandemic.
The CDC, which sets guidelines, has not confirmed changes are in the works, where according to an NBC News article, an official of the Department of Health and Human Services who asked not to be identified said federal health officials are considering relaxing COVID isolation guidelines. Dr. Chen says COVID may soon be treated similar to the flu or common cold.
Most of the infection of COVID infection right now is mild. They have a high contagious, but the toxicity is kind of low.
But some worry about another COVID surge.
I don't think they should change the guidelines. They should, if anything, they should extend it, because from what I'm hearing, the numbers are going up.
And I just don't think that you should think that it's time to disregard all the cautions that we took, because we'll be right back in the same situation.
The policy change, first reported by the Washington Post but not confirmed by the CDC, would end the 5-day isolation period, staying home until you are fever-free or 24 hours with no medication, and COVID symptoms will need to be mild and improving. This new isolation guidance will not apply to hospitals or healthcare centers dealing with sensitive patients. In Crown Heights, we spoke with people outside of the CDMD on Utica Avenue who have different opinions about this potential public health policy change.
We're not there yet. You know, they're going to do whatever the hell they want to do, but we're not there yet.
The elderly and young children, those with breathing problems.
The flu is not the same as COVID, from what my understanding and from what I experienced, because my mother did have COVID before.
I would probably go and isolate to a certain extent.
It is important to note, David, that the Biden administration has yet to sign off on this new policy. Reporting live from Crown Heights, Gabi Acevedo, News 4, New York.
Gabi, thank you. First Lady Jill